Hello traders. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, I am going to share how to trade with proper trend finder indicator. You can now see the indicator on the screen. You will see two indicators. You will see the advanced super trend indicator on the chat, which will tell you about the current trend of the market. And the indicator which is on the bottom will tell you about the entry/exit point of the market. You will not face any problem in using this indicator because it is very simple. You ask us every day what is the setup setting, what should be the time frame, etc. You will definitely get the answer of all these questions in the video. Please watch the complete video. As you can see here, the super trend indicator is created in green color. And the indicator on the bottom is also created with the arrow of green colored, so here we can execute our trades. And we will set our stop loss just a little below the super trend indicator. Right now you can see the bottom indicator which has become red in color. So, you can also book the buy profit of current trade here. After that there are many more situations on which you can trade. And many more situations when you can book your profit. I will tell you about each all situation in this video. As you can see, once the bottom indicator has created a sell signal, it is back with a buy signal and the super trend indicator is green, then you can execute another trade here. Let's see the trade. If you want, you can keep your profit booking ratio of 1:2 or even 1:1. Or can you wait for the indicator at these bottoms to go from green to red? When you use this indicator, you will not get that good winning ratio. You can check this indicator winning and ratio yourself, but I will tell you more things which will increase your winning ratio, which will increase by about 80%. So if you have seen the result of this indicator till now, then you must have understood how this indicator works. I will also tell you many situations of buy and sell. Let me tell you a very good way by which you can make great use of this indicator. You now use strategy for trading. Use the same strategy, only in the indicator which I am giving you now. Use this indicator as a confirmation only. If you combine this with your trading strategy and use it, you will see great results. So if you have seen the result of this indicator till now, then you must have understood how this indicator works. I will also tell you many situations of buy and sell. Let me tell you a very good way by which you can make great use of this indicator. You now use strategy for trading. Use the same strategy, only in the indicator which I am giving you now. Use this indicator as a confirmation only. If you combine this with your trading strategy and use it, you will see great results. And when you use this indicator, practice on demo account and starting. After that you use this indicator in real account. If you want more such indicators, then you subscribe to know, because on this channel you will get Mt4 indicator strategies absolutely free. I hope you must have liked this trading setup. If you get to learn something new on our channel, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video.